Kuki militants yesterday night launched attacks at Meitei villages at Kadangban, Singda, Koutruk and Koutruk under Imphal West district. Heavy attacks including bombs were made by Kuki militants at Koutruk village till late night yesterday. The attacks, which commenced at around 8:20 p.m. yesterday, continued till midnight past, where Kuki militants fired more than 22 bombs targeting the Meitei villages. Village volunteers retaliated by firing back in order to protect the villages, and heavy exchange of gunfire ensued between the Kuki militants and the village volunteers. No reports of casualties from either side have been received so far. It may be mentioned that around 10:15 p.m. yesterday night, a drone was seen flying and hovering above Koutruk village from the nearby hills.